Hi everyone, Alberto here with BIM Lounge. In this video, I'll share a quick tip on how to solve the issue with the missing title block in AutoCAD. Essentially, when you Xref in a title block from another file and it's not showing. Okay, let me show you the issue here. See, I'm working on this cover sheet file and I have a title block Xref in from a different file. And you see that it's correctly loaded, but it's not really showing. And let me show you what it looks like. This is the original title block. Now, the reason why it's not showing is because the geometries are only drawn in the layout and they're not showing anywhere in our model space. So let's fix that. We're going to copy this, or let's select that and right-click clipboard, copy with base point, and let's input a base point of 0, 0, 0 and press enter. And now let's head over to the model space and right click, clipboard, paste. Now where it says insertion point, let's type 0, 0, 0 again and press enter. And now when you do zoom extents, you'll see that the geometry is still here. The geometry is also here in the model space. Now let's give this file a save. Now, when you head back to the original file, in this case for me is the cover sheet, you'll see that the file needs to be reloaded, which makes sense. And let's go ahead and reload it. And now you see that the title block is actually showing because the geometry is in the model space. Now, this could be due to exporting title blocks or other geometries from AutoCAD to AutoCAD. So if you have that issue, just try this and let me know if it works. Now let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and also if this was useful to you, consider liking and subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.